Next up, we have unit vectors. So now we have vectors that have a magnitude of a singular unit. Once again, we call it a unit vector. So it's easy to remember. So it's sometimes used to describe the non-zero vector v as a multiple of another vector, say u, and it has the same function as v. So in order to find u, the vector, we're going to divide vector b by its magnitude. So this is a little further out there from what you guys are used to. But for now, I would say just go ahead, write this down, and we're going to get into some applications on the next slide. It is easier than it looks right now. Okay, just want to remind you that the magnitude is v. Of v is that distance formula of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So we're going to have that vector, and then we're going to find the the magnitude of that vector next. All right. So once you have this written down, go ahead, hop into that next slide, and we're going to do some examples together.